this Leena, and today's video is for all you teenagers out there. So once a person hits puberty, there's increase in androgen, and then the excess hormone increases a lot of oil on your skin. Your pores enlarge and it gets blocked, and that's why there's bacteria, and that's why there's acne. And it's a common problem for all teenagers. So I have this perfect face pack for you guys, and it's the Acne Warrior face pack. This is by Super Smelly, and this is their oil control face pack. And so all you teenagers can apply it because it's toxin free. It has zero toxins, and it has amazing ingredients like your grandmom would suggest you, like neem laga do. So it has neem extract, it has turmeric oil, then it has multani, mitti, aloe vera, and it also has new age powerful products like volcanic ashes, and there is grape seed oil, there's tea tree oil, there is apricot oil. So all these amazing ingredients, and it's toxin free, of course. So it has no chemicals. So I'm just going to apply it and show it to you guys, and anybody can apply it literally. So teenagers, if you have like a lot of acne problem, please apply this face pack. So I'm going to show you how it looks, and I will also put the link down below from where you can get this. I'll quickly apply this because I have acne here, so I have pimple, and I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to apply this face pack now. So guys, I've applied the face pack. All you gotta do is wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Don't use hot water or lukewarm water. And I've put the link down below from where you can get this product. So go ahead, try it, and let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you have any questions, anything, let me know in the comment section below. I will answer all your questions, and I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching.